Hello my dear friends, welcome back to this course, and now I am going to show you something special in the Kali Linux or in the Linux, which are all the related to the Debian distributions. They can afford it or they can run it. Even some other operating system can also run it, but I can show you here. So you need to open the browser first and open a new tab here and search here. Search here EDEX UI, EDEX EDEX minus UI minus Linux and press enter, and it show you git squadex slash edX UI across platform or edX UI download. So don't download it from the source code or any other website. I suggest you to download it from the GitHub. Click on the GitHub. Okay, you find some other things here. And the tool is actually not available. It is a fake one. Go back. Maybe it is worked, but I'm not giving you to suggest. I'm not suggest you to use this one. Okay, I think I need to install this tool using GitHub again. So search here, edX UI GitHub. Download. I hope you find this tool like from the SourceForge and GitHub and then some from other platforms. So I want to download it. Let's check the edX UI git app image.github. And here is the tool. Simply click on the download button. And it takes you to the page. Don't forget to type this link. Just copy this link and paste in your browser manually. Don't forget to this link because this is the best way. Don't install it with the help command line because that can give you an error and that can affect your system normally. Now copy this command like github.com slash git squared slash edX slash minus UI slash releases and scroll down. Here you find many more type of edX UI images. So you need to use the Linux app image, but Linux 64-bit app image. So I already download this image and now I can show you. Let me show you here. Okay, here is the file. Now here I have a edX UI Linux ARM64 app image, and here I have edX UI Linux x86-64 app image. So I need to download this file image edX UI Linux x86 and underscore 64. So here is the original file. You need to download this file. It is approximately 92.1 megabyte. Let me show you my downloadable version. Go to properties and you can, okay, it don't show me the size of the file here. Okay, here 92.1 megabyte. Now next thing is that you only need to give the root permission to this file, and even you can run it without giving the root permission to it. So let me open the terminal here in this location. Give the root permission to your terminal and search here, type here chmod plus x and then edX UI Linux x86 underscore 64 dot app image. Press enter and now you have root permission. So you can run it through the root terminal also. let me show you dot slash edX UI Linux, this one, and press enter. So you can see that it cannot be run as a root. It have no permission. So exit from the root mode, but in the same location, like in the where the tool edX UI is available. Let me find here, and here the edX UI available. Now I'm not in the root mode. If I type here who am I, so it show me my username. Type here now dot slash edX UI Linux x8664 dot app image. Simply press enter, and all this process going to do automatically, going to happen automatically. You can change the color, you can change the a little bit about the theme style. Okay, here is the edX UI demo. Here is the keyboard. When you type any key, press any key, it show you here. I'm going to cancel this one. You have total 5 terminal access. What you need to give the root permission, sudo su, and then type your password. And here it shows you your CPU usage, your average usage, temperature, memory usage, top 5 process, your file manager, your keyboard, your internet connection information, your online status, and ping speed is 1188 ms. It is increase and decrease continuously. Now you are immediately offline. When you are online, it show you here you are online, and your internet connection up and down speed. And then if you click here on the themes, double click or single click. Okay, close it. You can set the shortcuts from with the help of this tool. Close this one and click on themes. Type ls. Again, click on themes. Okay, we can discuss about that feature later. But here is the edX UI. Now you can see that how I install this tool. You have one more method, but let me exit from here. So to exit from this edX UI, you need to press these both button together, Alt button and F4 button, and it is closed automatically. Now I can also launch the app image without the terminal. Here is the file. I simply double click on this one, and let's see what happened. It is launched automatically. So that is the benefit of .app image. Many Linux tools are in the form of app image. The other process is same. Now exit from here using Alt and F4 button. That's it for this video, and see you in the next lecture.